Hello everyone, this is Kawsar once again. Before I hope all are doing great. I'm also doing the grace of Almighty. Today I will show you how to add a domain in the Namecheap hosting. Okay, so this is my domain, and this is domain is from Diana Host, and now I added the domain in the Namecheap hosting. This is my domain, and this is now empty. So added the hosting in the Namecheap hosting. I go to the Namecheap cPanel, and from here I go to the add-on domains and click the add-on domains. So you see this is the redirect from another page, and you see this is the create add-on domain, and here I write the new domain name, and I copy from the domain name from here. Okay, copy here from here and paste here, and you see this is the invalid domain message, so I delete the slash and the http slash. Okay, only here I write the domain name and .com. Do not make any space or anything. Okay, so when I give space here, you see this is the invalid domain. Now I click outside here, and you see this subdomain automatically created and domain root. So you can actually you can delete, you can change this, so you do not need to change this. And if you want to create FTP account associated with the add-on domain, you can select this button. FTP account will be created. So for creating FTP password, you see this is the FTP username and this is the password. Okay, I select, so I give her password, and I write password again. So now I click on the edit domain button. So now there are some errors, so now I need to change the name servers. So I copy that, and here I go to the my old domain list, and from there I go to the name server, and here you see name server 1, name server 2. So I delete this, and I replace here first domain name server, copy the name server 2. So I paste here the name server 2. Now I click changes the name servers, saves and successfully. So now I go to the added domain page again, and here I paste my domain name, and I do not create FTP account, so I do not check this button. So now I click the added domain button. Add-on domain is now successfully created. So now you see in the file manager, you see there is the new folder created. So I double click here, and you see this is the some file, and this is the default file. So I select all file and delete from here. So click delete button. Now I click skip the trash and permanently delete the file. Click confirm. So now you see this file is totally empty. So here I uploaded some HTML CSS file. So I click the upload button. So you see here is my file, and I drag and drop here, and all file is uploaded successfully. So now you see this is working, and I do not upload any images, so image is missing. Here you see image is missing, and all things are working properly. Now I created some folder from here. Now I created some folder for image, uploading image. Yeah, I created the folder for uploaded this image or some phases. First I go to the article, and I paste here all article things, double click here, and now click upload. Now I upload all things from article folder. So now you see this is successfully uploaded, and now go to the images folder, and here you see another folder. Okay, so I create another folder. Now I click upload, and now I all thing drop here. So you see all file and folder I uploaded here. So now all things are work properly. All pages work properly. You see, yeah, all things are now work properly. So I think all people enjoy this video. I hope this tutorial will benefit for you. So next I'll come up with another interesting tutorial. Till then, bye bye.